Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a little challenge. I'm doing something that I came up with and I searched online and there was no one else that came up with this idea, so I'm like I'm doing the alphabet order challenge reversed. I'm not gonna let you guys see too much, so if you guys want to see how this freaking challenge came about, just keep on watching. And if you guys don't already know, I upload every single week. Like I have a video every single week. Hey, let's get started. Okay guys, so as you can tell from the title, I had seen a couple videos literally like last night, and it was James Charles and Nikki Tutorials. They did basically your makeup in alphabetical order, and while I was watching I was like, wait, ding, light bulb, why don't I do my makeup in alphabetical order but reverse, so it's even harder? And then I checked on YouTube and literally there was no one that had that video. I was like, I'm doing it. This is gonna be really funny, but first I'm gonna clip my hair because it is definitely gonna get in the way. And if you guys are asking me why the hell are you putting flat cotton things on your hair, it's because if you put the pin, it's gonna show a line when you take them off. So I usually put like cards, but I don't have cards right now. I've been obsessed with these two Spanish songs. Vamos a la playa. That one. And then literally the same name of the song, but a little bit different. Como te llamas, baby? That one. Literally my jam. So what I did is I grabbed my phone and I started typing out my routine because there's no way I was gonna remember. So we got eyebrows, eyeshadow, eyeliner, curl lashes, mascara, eyelashes, face primer, foundation, concealer, contour stick, bronzer, bake, blush, highlight, setting spray. Now when you put that in alphabetical order, it's bake, blush, bronzer, concealer, contour stick, curl lashes, eyebrows, eyelashes, eyeliner, eyeshadow, face primer, foundation, highlight, mascara, setting spray. And then when you do that in reverse, it's setting spray, mascara, highlight, foundation, face primer. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why did I think of this? Eyeshadow, eyeliner, eyelashes, eyebrows, curl lashes, contour stick, concealer, bronzer, blush, bake. Let's have fun. So first thing on the list when you go in reverse is setting spray. Let's go ahead and set this non-glammed face of mine. I'm using my Urban Decay all-nighter. Weird. Why don't we go ahead and add some MAC Fix Plus? Let's just go all up in it. Next up, we got mascara. My lashes are literally the straightest thing on earth, so this is gonna be weird. You guys are gonna see my struggle when I put on mascara and my lashes are completely straight. Oh my god, does that mean bottom lashes too? And this is what happens when I put mascara without curling my lashes. A freaking disaster. Highlight. Great. Now I'm gonna kind of take something to my advantage. I'm gonna use a highlighting enhancer. So that goes under the highlight category. And I'm gonna add these to the highlights of my face. I'm gonna do 2 drops on the back of my hand. And then I'm just gonna add this in the areas that I would need a nice glow. I'm gonna spritz my brush, add some of my favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. Oof, I love this. This is not looking too bad. I'm gonna add a lot so it like seeps through the skin. We're gonna be here for a minute. With the little detail brush, I'm gonna highlight my nose like I usually would. Does that include highlighting my brow bone? I'm gonna have to go over it anyway. Jesus. Now that we have our whole entire face highlighted for no reason, we're gonna move on to foundation. Yes, we're going backwards, so I'm not even gonna do face primer. I'm gonna do face primer after the foundation. That gives me a little throwback of my fiance doing my makeup. Sounds familiar. So I'm gonna take another one of my favorite. It's my Elcie foundation. It's like a light to medium foundation, so I don't want to go too crazy today, but I think I'm gonna end up looking crazy, so I don't think there's a damn difference. But low-key, I was just watching Tarte and Jennifer Lopez's makeup artist and he doesn't even believe in face primer, so maybe this will work. Like my body isn't even letting me put it on my face. It's like, you're wrong, you're wrong. Okay, we could kind of see a glow going on. Okay, I'm not mad. Face primer. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Benefit POREfessional because it is a face primer and it also has a little tint to it. So maybe it'll blend in. Hopefully, I'm not wrong. Just gonna blend that around. By the way, I have a really good vlog coming out next week. All my videos are pre-filmed, so I'm kind of scheduled in a certain way. So you'll see me talking about this challenge that I thought of, but it's actually from like a week ago. All right, that wasn't too bad. I thought it was gonna be even worse. Not too bad. Eyeshadow. Okay. So I'm gonna pick up the James Charles palette. I'm gonna go into this orangey shade right here. Go all up in my crease. Oh, talk about pigment. And then I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Deepen that up even more. We're going for something hella smoky today. I don't even know what I'm going for, but I'm just adding eyeshadows. So with eyeshadow comes basically the whole look. So I'm gonna cut my crease off camera and then I'll be right back to add some more shadow on. Okay, now that I cut the crease, I'm gonna go into this lime green and I'm gonna pack that right on top of where we cut. Let's just go all out, why not? And then at the very end, I left a little bit off so I can put this shimmer green right at the end and kind of just blend these two together. I'm gonna go over the green just a little bit. And then using a tiny little brush, this is actually a lip brush, it's the E19. But I'm gonna pick it up for this yellow right here. I'm gonna tap that right in the inner corner. And then I'm gonna go over it with this shimmery shade right here, kind of use it as a highlight, but it's still eyeshadow, right? Yup. And then I'm gonna tap into a little bit of this black and mix it with the brown and just kind of diffuse that harsh line between the brown and the green shimmer. This isn't even coming out that bad. I'm kind of proud of myself. And since we're still in the eyeshadow category, I have to finish my under eye, even though I always leave that to the end, but rules are rules. I want to go into this shade right here and just connect what we have going on top. What's next? Oh my god, I'm looking like a freaking crazy right now. Eyeliner. Eyeliner, I get super close to the mirror, so I'm gonna do this one off camera, but you guys will obviously see how it comes out. All right, guys, I went ahead and did my liner. I'm actually not really mad at how this is coming out. It's actually really cute, and once I put my lashes on, which is the next step, it's really gonna come together, so I'm excited. Let's do this. I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty lashes in Samantha number 7. I hate that I did my mascara first because now my freaking eyeshadow is on top of my mascara. Como te llamas, baby? Bro, if I say that one more time, I swear. Who's ready for the Keeping Up with the Kardashians new season? I am, girl. I can't wait. Oh my god, there's so much tea to be spilled. And I love tea, especially piping hot tea. That's my favorite. I look like a fruit fly. Oh my god, my straight lashes are really just messing up this look right now. Next thing on our list is brows. Brows is literally the first thing I do when I do my makeup routine. And lately I've been trying to do brows last. So this is kind of like a good practice for me because I'm definitely not used to doing that. Like I need to have my brows done before, but it doesn't hurt to try new things, right? And this is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in number 4. Échale, échale, échale para atrás. Now we're gonna clean up the brows. I think my brows are all finished up. Curl lashes. Okay, maybe that'll help with the green eyelashes and then my falsies. Maybe that'll help. This is my favorite lash curler ever. It's the Tweezer Man. I don't know the name. I just know it's by Tweezer Man. Oh wait, hold on. I think I did it a little bit too much. Next up, we got contour stick. So this is kind of, there's some places where it's going in my favor because this is kind of in my order-ish. I'm gonna contour cheekbones, nose. Imagine doing this blindfolded. Oh my god, is that a thing? Like, I want to know if that's actually a thing. Next up is concealer. So I'm gonna grab my light medium honey shape tape, of course, by Tarte. I'm gonna apply this right under. This is gonna be hard because I already have shadow going on. Then the nose, forehead, chin. By the way, speaking of chin, I have another world growing on my chin. I don't know why. They always like to sprout in the same spot. Like, please, at least move around somewhere. Don't grow on my chin. Like, my jaw is big enough to begin with. We don't need another world on my freaking chin. Thank you. Next. Oh my god, this looks weird because I did it at last after the freaking bronzer. Shit. Oh my god. I forgot to put lips on the list. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna do that right now. I can't believe I forgot that. Oh my god. I knew I was forgetting something. I'm sorry. I'm breaking the rules. I went in with my NYX liner in the shade Natural, and then I'm gonna go into my NYX Soft Lip Matte Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. Doing this shrunk would be funny. Like, it's hard enough to begin with, but imagine intoxicated. I should put that on my to-do list. Okay, we got lips done. I'm so sorry. I completely forgot about that part. My apologies. Next up, we got bronzer. This is Elcie. I'm using literally everything Elcie. This is their bronzer in the shade Medium. All right, next up we got blush, and then I get to bake. This is MAC Desert Rose. I'm not too big of a blush person, if you guys don't already know. Now we get to bake. All right, guys, that's it for today's challenge. I'm gonna take my little pins out and give you guys an evaluation. To be completely honest, this actually came out really cute. Like, I'm not gonna lie. And my face isn't looking bad at all. It actually looks really snatched. The only thing I wish I could do is add more highlight because a bitch is looking a little too matte, okay? I need a little bit more shimmer on my nose, my cheekbones. I mean, the oil kind of helped a little bit because then we would have been really, really dry. But overall, I think it came out pretty good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little challenge. You guys know I'm always up for a little challenge. So if you guys do have some suggestions, always feel free to leave a comment down below and let your girl know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.